How's it going? Just got my new OBP hydro in, and I just want to do a quick 30-second review because I could not find a lot of information on it before I ordered it. I wanted a nice solid hydro that you could just beat on, and I just felt like wasn't going to vibrate apart with no slop. I was looking at Chase Bays and the FDF, and I decided to try out the OBP, and I am super impressed with it. This is a super solid unit. It looks insanely good. It's really well built. I couldn't find a lot of information on this when I got it, but in here it feels like there's actual ball bearings. It feels super solid. There's absolutely no side slop. It's got locking nuts on both sides, so this thing is definitely not going to vibrate apart. And it just looks and feels like a really solid unit. Best hydro I've seen in person. I did get the one with the locking handle feature, which on the pictures looked really chintzy, but it actually feels really solid, and I feel like it's going to work really well. The little plastic piece that you used to hold the rod up, again, it also feels really solid as well. So that is the OBP hydro with the OBP master cylinder. The mounting bracket feels really solid as well. It's got 6 mounting holes. Yeah, I'm super impressed. Let me know if you guys have any questions or want any more information, but I would definitely recommend it.